like Pakistani food?
Yeah, which one is the best? There's an Afghani omelette. I've never had that before. Is that one good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good? Alright, let's try that. It's like got like a cheesy crust on the top.
You should try.
I'll try a little bit. Oh, of course we gotta get some paratha and naan in here. Get some, do you have cheese paratha?
Cheese paratha?
Yeah. You have?
No.
No? Just normal paratha?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. It will suffice for the moment. Is the French toast good?
Yeah.
Let's get two then.
Very good.
Thank you.
Would you like to take tea, coffee? Juice?
Oh yeah, chai please.
Chai?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Urdu आती है आपको?
Little bit.
No
Little.
problem.
Thank you so much. Super friendly staff, I must say. We had French toast in Hunza. It was damn good. We got paratha, of course, and then we got Afghani omelette. So I'm guessing that these, they kind of look like potato. So let's give it a taste test. There's tomatoes in there, and egg, of course. Oh yeah, potato, all mixed with egg and herbs and spices and stuff like that. Shukriya. Oh, that actually tastes really good and a little bit spicy. But it's funny. There's actually like more